Well, good morning. This is Tuesday morning, and today we're going to go over Tuesday's cleaning tip. And what I do on Tuesdays is I do the door panels or the door cards, whatever y'all want to call them, using the same product, the Armor All cleaning wipes. Get one up out of here. Wipe everything down. And I do both sides. We just starting over here because it's less wind noise this morning out here. Wipe everything down up on top. The fake leather speaker covers. The rest of the door card down here on the bottom around the door. The rest of the hard plastic. Takes a few minutes. Doesn't look too bad. Throw that in the trash and take your other microfiber towel. Wipe down the excess. Get the varnished wood and the chrome shine back up. The handles, the rest of the door card or door panel. And then we also do the same thing underneath the dash. As you can see, we wipe down underneath the dash using the same product, the Armor All wipes, and then go over it with a clean microfiber towel to get all the excess off. And that's what I do on Tuesdays. Tomorrow, Wednesday, will be the seats and working on the carpet. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow.